Kale for weight loss. Fact or fiction? Kale has long been touted as a superfood, packed with beneficial nutrients and offering a range of health benefits. One such benefit often attributed to kale is its ability to aid in weight loss. However, the question remains, is kale truly effective for weight loss, or is this just a myth? To begin with, kale is indeed low in calories and high in fiber, making it a great addition to a weight loss diet. With just 33 calories per cup and 2.6 grams of fiber, kale can help you feel full for longer without adding excessive calories to your meals. Additionally, the fiber content aids in digestion and can assist in preventing overeating, which is essential for weight loss. Moreover, kale is a nutrient-dense food, meaning it provides a wide range of essential vitamins and minerals while being low in calories. These nutrients can support overall health and can help maintain a balanced diet, which is crucial when trying to shed pounds. Kale is particularly rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as calcium and iron, all of which contribute to maintaining a healthy body. Furthermore, kale contains antioxidants that can reduce inflammation in the body. Although inflammation is not directly linked to weight gain, it may hinder your weight loss efforts by slowing down your metabolism. By consuming kale, you can potentially combat inflammation and boost your metabolic rate, making it easier to burn calories. Despite these benefits, it is important to note that kale cannot single-handedly cause weight loss. It is just one component of a well-rounded diet and a healthy lifestyle. Weight loss is a complex process that requires a combination of factors, including regular exercise, a balanced and calorie-controlled diet, and lifestyle modifications. Additionally, while kale is low in calories, it can become less effective for weight loss if cooked in unhealthy ways. Often, kale is sautéed in oil or butter, which adds unnecessary calories and fat to the dish. To maximize the weight loss benefits, it is advisable to eat kale raw or lightly steamed, without adding excessive fats or oils. Moreover, if you are solely relying on kale for weight loss, you may also miss out on other vital nutrients. Variety is key in a healthy diet, and solely consuming kale could cause a deficiency in other important vitamins and minerals. Therefore, it is essential to combine kale with other nutritious foods to ensure a well-rounded diet and maximize weight loss potential. Lastly, individual results may vary. While some individuals may experience significant weight loss by incorporating kale into their diet, others may not see similar effects. Factors such as genetics, metabolism, and overall lifestyle play a significant role in weight loss. It is important to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to personalize your diet plan and ensure it is suitable for your specific needs and goals. In conclusion, while kale can be a valuable addition to a weight loss diet due to its low calorie and high fiber content, it is not a magical solution on its own. Kale can aid in weight loss by promoting satiety, providing essential nutrients, reducing inflammation, and boosting metabolism. However, it is essential to combine kale with other healthy foods, exercise regularly, and make lifestyle modifications to achieve sustainable weight loss. I hope this information on kale for weight loss was helpful. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. For more topics on kale, kale diets, kale recipes, kale smoothies, and eating healthy with kale, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and let's change our eating habits for a healthier life. Remember, you are what you eat.